Introducing Clark's exclusive program, Ease Comfort. Ease Comfort makes enjoying the water in your home so much easier by eliminating the burden of a large upfront expense for new equipment. It also eliminates any additional expense of managing and maintaining that equipment. For one low monthly payment, you can say goodbye to unexpected expensive repairs, labor fees, installation charges, seasonal maintenance costs, replacement parts, overtime fees, worries, hassles, and headaches, and say hello to a new state-of-the-art plumbing system for your home. Plus, Ease provides a better warranty on your equipment than traditional financing or cash purchases, since most traditional purchases include a 1-year labor and 6-year parts warranty. With Ease, the cost of repairs and all maintenance are always covered. And if you prefer to own the equipment, you have the option available to you anytime after the initial 4 months in the Ease Comfort program. So which plumbing system can you get with Ease? We're glad you asked. With Ease, you can enjoy a brand new water heater for your home. Choose from a standard tank, tankless, or ultra-efficient hybrid electric system. Your Ease water heater even comes with annual maintenance that includes a system flush and free anode rod replacement to extend the life of your equipment. You can also add one of Clark's whole home water treatment systems. Clean and safe drinking water, fluffier towels, softer skin, and appliances that last longer all can be yours with Ease. All for just one low monthly payment. Think of Ease as your always hot, clean, filtered water guarantee, making major plumbing systems one last thing you have to manage in your home. Never worry about unforeseen expenses with your major plumbing systems again. With Clark's and Ease Comfort, you're always covered, always comfortable.